guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on a mannequin I got yesterday in the mail. Yeah, so I thought that I'd just come on and do a video about it since I got it and it's my first mannequin. So yeah, and I mean, I thought it would be a really good idea so you guys could see it, and in the comments, like, tell me if you've ever had a mannequin or if you like the mannequin that I got. So yeah, this is how it looks, the package. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Package. Okay. I'm actually really excited because I've actually never done a mannequin. Okay. And this is what it looks like. So, and open it for you guys. I'm gonna take it out of the package. It actually looks really, really nice. I really, really like the quality so far. And it smells like, you know how stuff when they're new, how they smell? Yeah, that's exactly how it smells. Wow! Wow, guys. Look at that hair! And here's the face, shaped like that. So, the top is just a natural, like the natural, it's a natural brown, like, I mean, not brown. Let me push you guys a little further. It's a natural blonde color, and it's straight. I think you could have got it curly, but I don't know. I did not pick this one because my mom said she was gonna surprise me with one. Yeah. And then, like, you can lift it up. There's like the dark pink right here. And then for me, I'd say like mix these two colors. I'm sorry, these two pinks. And you could get the pinkity drinkity. And then at the back, oh my gosh, I'm in love with the back color. Like cotton, like these two cotton candies. Like the light pink and the blue pink, the cotton candy. Yeah, but I didn't get to stand with it, but that's okay. Okay. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. And like bobby pin the hair down. This bun's actually really cute, but you guys don't have to do your bun that big. It could be easier, or you could, I need to show you this one. So in back home, they'd call this a plait. Okay, I'm gonna take it and then I'm going to make these would be like, this would be like a flower bun. Pull the hair. Yeah. Okay. And like I just wrapped it around for no reason. I just wrapped it around for no reason. But it still looks say cute. And you could go for a small. So comment down below if you guys really like this hair. And if you guys like, you know, want to see me do a hair tutorial on this, like do some different hairstyles, like 5 easy hairstyles to do if you're going to school and stuff. And yeah, and actually, as I said before, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And you can also follow me on Snapchat. My name is Fah, what is it? Fah07. So it's FAH07. So go follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And yeah, that's it for this review video. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this. Give it a big thumbs up. Like it up, y'all. Like it up right now. Like it up right now. My goal is to reach to like 200 subscribers and then build from that and stuff. And yeah, so that was my mannequin review, and I love my mannequin because it's really cute. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new videos, every week, or like when I have time and stuff. Like in the summer I have no school, so then of course I'm gonna have some time to make some videos for y'all, so stay tuned for those videos. And if I'm going on any vacation or whatnot, I'll also be vlogging. I think I might do my first vlog when I go on a vacation. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. So I love y'all so much. Stay awesome. Stay the best that you are. And sweet. And as I said, like it up right now. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. And yeah. And also follow me on Instagram. Like I said that 2 times already. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snapchat. I'll link that in the description box below. And comment below if you have a mannequin or like an American Girl doll, or in general just like a big doll, not the Barbie dolls as I said before, but like a big doll. Do a hairstyle on the doll, and then send it to me in my DMs on Instagram when you follow me, or even on Snapchat. But I figure that Instagram's a little bit better because like you could take a picture in your camera roll and then press on, like, you guys know how it works, and then send it to me and then I'll see it. And yeah, I figure it's just easier to just DM me on Instagram. So whichever one you pick, but yeah, so just send me those pictures of your doll and the hairstyle that you have done, but please nothing too crazy, because I could do this, I could do a plait as I showed you before, I could do a, like, I'd have to learn. If you guys showed me how to, like, a fishtail bird or something, I don't even know how to do that. I just have to learn how to do that. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.